car secrets you don't know about. Pro tips. Most car owners never realize that their vehicle is hiding features that could save them money, prevent accidents, and even make life on the road easier. The wild part? Many of these are built into cars you already drive. No special tools or upgrades needed. Today, I'm going to share 15 hidden car secrets that even experienced drivers often overlook. And trust me, the last one could easily save you thousands of dollars in repair costs. Let's dive in. Secret 15. Steering wheel adjustment lever. You know that small handle under your steering wheel? Most people think it's just there to move the wheel up and down. But it actually adjusts both height and distance, and doing it correctly can prevent long-term back and neck pain. Here's how you know it's right. Sit comfortably in your seat. Adjust the wheel so your elbows stay slightly bent. Rest your wrists on top of the steering wheel. If you can reach comfortably, you're in the safe zone. This setup keeps you alert, reduces fatigue on long drives, and even ensures the airbag hits your chest, not your face in a collision. Most people set their mirrors and seats, but forget the wheel. Don't make that mistake. Secret 14. The 3-blink turn signal trick. Ever see someone driving for miles with their blinker stuck on? Don't be that person. Most modern cars have a lane change feature built into the turn signal. Instead of clicking it fully, just tap it gently. The light will blink exactly 3 times, and then switch off. This is perfect for highway lane changes. It gives other drivers enough warning without making you look like you forgot to turn off your signal. Small detail, big difference in how smooth and confident you look on the road. Secret 13. Emergency fuel door release. Picture this. You're running low on gas, pull into a station, hit the button to open your fuel door, and nothing happens. Battery dead, button broken. Whatever the cause, you're stuck, except you're not. In most cars, there's a hidden manual release in the trunk. Open the trunk and check near the side where your fuel cap is. You'll often find a small pull cable or lever tucked behind the carpet lining. It's mechanical, not electric, so it works even with a dead battery. This tiny detail has saved countless drivers from calling roadside assistance just to put fuel in their tank. Secret 12. Smart hazard light functions. Hazard lights aren't always as simple as blinking on and off. In newer cars, they can actually change patterns in emergencies. For example, some vehicles automatically flash rapidly if you slam the brakes or if the airbags deploy. Others activate special patterns when the car detects a collision. This isn't just cool tech, it's designed to grab attention faster, so the drivers behind you react immediately. It's your car's way of screaming for help when you can't. Secret 11. Battery saver mode. We've all done it. Listened to the radio or left the headlights on while the engine's off. Normally that kills your battery, but many cars now include a battery saver system. If the voltage gets too low, the car will shut off lights and accessories automatically. Here's where it gets interesting. In some cars, you can change this setting. That means you can extend power for camping, tailgating, or emergencies. Just know the risk. If you push it too far, you'll still end up stranded with a dead battery. So use this trick when you need it, but don't forget to start the engine every so often to recharge. Secret 10. Windshield wiper service mode. Ever struggle to replace your wiper blades because they're tucked under the hood? Most cars have a hidden service mode. Here's how it usually works. Turn off the ignition, then switch it back on to accessory. Activate the wipers once, and then switch the ignition off while the blades are mid-swipe. They'll freeze in the upright position, giving you full access. This trick isn't just for maintenance, it's also great in winter. You can lift the wipers off the glass before a snowstorm, so they don't freeze stuck overnight. Secret 9. Backup door unlock. Imagine your key fob dies in a parking lot. You press the button, nothing. You try again, still nothing. Before you panic, check your driver's side door handle. Most cars hide a mechanical key slot behind a small plastic cover. Inside your fob, there's usually a tiny metal key that slides out. That key will open your door even when electronics fail. Some vehicles also allow backup unlock codes or smartphone app access. Knowing these options can save you from a locksmith bill and a lot of stress. Secret 8. Auto-tilting mirrors. Parallel parking in a tight spot? Some cars automatically help. When you put the car in reverse, the passenger side mirror tilts downward, so you can clearly see the curb and avoid scraping your wheels. On some cars, the driver's side mirror does it too. The best part? You can usually customize how far the mirrors tilt. If you park often in crowded city streets, this feature could save you hundreds in wheel repairs. Secret 7. Hidden horn features. Your horn has more than one job. Press it quickly, and it's a normal honk, but your key fob usually has a panic button that blasts the horn and flashes the lights until you shut it off. Great for emergencies or finding your car in a packed lot. In some vehicles, you can even customize horn sounds for locking and unlocking. Quiet neighborhoods? Turn it off. Need a louder confirmation in a busy parking lot? Turn it on. Secret 6. Hill Start Assist. If you drive a manual car, this one's a lifesaver. Hill Start Assist keeps the brakes applied for a few seconds when you release the pedal on an incline. That gives you time to move your foot to the gas without rolling backward. Even some automatics have it, especially SUVs and trucks. If you've ever stalled out or rolled back into traffic on a steep hill, you'll appreciate how helpful this feature is. Secret 5. Recirculation mode done right. That button with the looping arrow? Most people just leave it on all the time. That's a mistake. Here's the science. Recirculation mode reuses air already inside the cabin. This makes your air conditioning up to 30% more efficient in summer and keeps warm air inside in winter. When should you use it? After your AC cools the car, switch it on to maintain the temperature. In heavy traffic or tunnels to block exhaust fumes. When should you avoid it? On long drives in humid weather. Otherwise, your windows fog up. Used correctly, this tiny button can save fuel and protect your lungs. Secret 4. Cabin air filter signals. Most drivers don't realize their car has a cabin air filter, separate from the engine filter. It traps dust, pollen, and pollution. Signs it's dirty include weak airflow, musty smells, or longer defrost times. A dealership might charge $100+ to replace it, but you can usually do it yourself in 5 minutes for $20. And here's a pro tip. Upgrade to an activated carbon filter. It not only blocks dust, but also reduces odors and harmful gases. Secret 3. 12-volt outlet power secrets. That cigarette lighter socket? It's more powerful than you think. It can handle up to 150 watts on average, enough to run a tire inflator, mini fridge, or even a laptop charger. But push it too far and you'll blow the fuse. Check your manual. Front outlets often handle more than rear ones. And remember, they drain your battery fast if the engine's not running. Secret 2. Programmable auto locks. Your car's doors may be smarter than you think. Most vehicles allow you to program when they lock, immediately at 5 mph, later at 15 mph, or not at all. You can also decide if only the driver's door unlocks first for safety, or if all doors open at once for convenience. Some high-tech models even adjust based on GPS, unlocking fully at home, but only the driver's door in public. This is one of those small features that make a big difference in everyday life. Secret 1. Master reset sequence. Here's the ultimate secret. When your infotainment system freezes or multiple electronics glitch out, you don't always need a mechanic. Most cars have a master reset sequence. It usually involves holding specific buttons while cycling the ignition or briefly disconnecting the battery. This clears errors, resets electronics, and often fixes problems that would cost hundreds in diagnostics. The catch? You'll lose saved settings like radio stations and seat memory. But compared to a $500 dealer bill, it's a small price to pay. Conclusion: these car secrets aren't gimmicks. They're built-in tools most drivers ignore. Learning them can save you money, reduce stress, and even make you a safer driver. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car hacks. And don't miss my next video. It's all about the most common car maintenance mistakes that waste thousands of dollars.